Hi guys! In the latest video review, we actively talked about budget equipment from Dragonhawk. Today I will talk about the tattoo machine Mast P30. This is a rotary pen with a magnetic clip cord. Stay until the end of the video. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. If you want to improve your professional level in permanent makeup or get a new profession permanent makeup artist, I am waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. We already talked about the company Dragonhawk in last video review. So let's talk about the box. From the outside, it's a standard white box, as in many of our videos. By the way, friends, write in the comments which Dragonhawk device or devices you use or have used before. Are you satisfied with working with this equipment? Inside the box, as always, the foam rubber. It protects tattoo machine from damage during transportation. The second box with a clip cord with magnetic connector and spare O-rings. Mast P30 is a black color. Its length 112 mm. It's compact, glossy body and narrow grip. I will talk more about Mast P30. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The company Dragonhawk confirms the machine weight is 77 grams. We will check it on the scales. It on the scales is 78 grams. The real weight is small, but in the hand the weight seems more. If you do not know the weight, I would say more than 100 grams. Its price is about $90. Mast P30 was originally presented in black and red colors. After that, the line added more three colors: gray, purple and pink gold. Diameter of grips 18 mm. We can sterilize the grip. The company Dragonhawk doesn't give any information about the sterilizes your equipment. Therefore, I base it on my experience. I use disinfectant and autoclave, and I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of grips. An interesting feature of our tattoo machine is a clip cord with magnetic plug. Working with him is quite comfortable and convenient. The stroke length is 3.6 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. The needle protrusion adjustment is simple. We are turning the grip. In technical specifications, the needle protrusion is before 4.5 mm, but the pigment flows bad with these needle protrusions. Based on my experience, if you have the needle stroke 3.6 mm, the needle protrusion, if it should be about from 2 to 3 mm. The working voltage is from 7 to 9 volts. But if you love your tattoo machine, I don't recommend working on 9 volts, not more 8 volts. The equipment works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges. Let's turn on it. I will work with power supply Aurora and tattoo cartridge from the Fender. Next video on the channel will be about this power supply. Don't miss. I'm turning on 4.5 volts. The tattoo machine hasn't noise, but has vibration. Guys, let's go! Pixels are really small, the hand feels vibration. In my opinion, Mast P30 is very rigid, like a stretched string. I am not comfortable walking. Well, let's sum up our video review. Mast P30 is from Chinese company. The machine weight is 78 grams. The tattoo machine hasn't noise but has vibration. Its price is about $90. Mast P30 copes with powder and liner techniques, but for me uncomfortable to work with its vibration. It works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges. An interesting feature of our tattoo machine is a clip cord with a magnetic plug. Working with him is quite comfortable and convenient. If I was a beginner artist, I would choose another tattoo machine for this price. Experienced artists can work on this equipment, but there is a large selection of tattoo and permanent makeup equipment on the market to choose the more comfortable one. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.